What is up? I'm here to show you how to make this vegan, gluten-free, amazing, and full of flavor taco salad. Let's get started. You will need a vegan and gluten-free pasta, so just go ahead and bring your pot to a boiling water temperature and cook your pasta all the way through, and then just strain it out and keep it aside for right now. Now to a large pot, add in 5 cloves of minced garlic, 1 medium onion that has been diced up, and then add in a 1/4 cup of water, and then turn your stove top on to a medium heat and start cooking your onion, water, and garlic all together until the onions turn to a transparent clear color. It should look just like this. It's okay to have a little bit of brown in the bottom of your pan, completely normal. Now add in 2 cups of salsa. Now go ahead and just give it a very quick mix and fold that salsa in with those onions and garlic to get the flavors really in there. Now add in 2 cups plus a 1/4 cup of black beans, 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning, a 1/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, and then 4 tablespoons of fresh chopped up cilantro. And now go ahead and just mix it all together until it's fully combined. Then after it's fully mixed, go ahead and add in your gluten-free vegan pasta and just fold it all in with that amazing taco sauce that you just made. Fold it in with the pasta and make sure every noodle is coated and covered with that taco sauce. Now after it is fully mixed all together in the noodles, go ahead and turn your stovetop off, and then let's start getting your plates ready to plate this up. To a bowl or plate, go ahead and add your delicious taco salad pasta right up in there, and then top it off with some avocado. The fresh avocado just tastes so good with this, and enjoy it. Serve it to your family and friends. This is just so amazing. I'm so excited to share this with all of you. If you make it, tag Meet the Presleys on Facebook or Instagram because I want to see what you did with yours and how much you liked it. Any questions, reach me on Instagram or on our Facebook fan page, and I'll be so glad to reply right back to you.